Hello, in this video I'll show you all three methods of screenshotting on your RUGONE Xever 7 Pro. The first method of screenshotting is pretty the most common, I think, which is power and volume down at the same time, and it takes a screenshot. But if you'd like to use a different method, you can either scroll down, slide down with 3 fingers. It should take a screenshot. If it doesn't, then most likely that is just to enable in the settings, so that would be screenshot. Yeah, there's 3 finger screenshot. You can enable it, then you can swipe down to take a screenshot. There you can also enable a partial screenshot, which is pressing and holding with 3 fingers, and then as you can see you can just do like a lasso screenshot, rectangular arrow screenshot, or a dot screenshot. And the last method would be to slide down from the top of your screen and then find screenshot here, or if you can't find it, there is separate screenshot, something like this, which is like pretty weird. It does like weird things. You can do like long screenshot and everything, but I think there should also be an option that you can possibly add by clicking here and then finding it, I believe, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's not available. It's not available, so you can just do like the super screenshot and then do like, yeah, you probably can't really just do a normal screenshot. You can do long screenshot and that's it. But if you're scrolling through some websites, then probably you can screenshot it there. And maybe let's go to the settings and try to screenshot settings. So let's do that. Yeah, no, that's weird. But I can still click here to like sort of scroll down, I believe, or not. Hold on a second, because that's like, it says long screenshot here. Yeah, okay, now when I pressed, you can see I can just do like that and save, and now a long screenshot is saved. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.